All right, guys, you're looking at a very cool lock. I got this in a trade with, I'm going to call him HC in Germany. This is a storefront lock from the 1960s in the original box. So you collectors are probably going to go crazy. It's either, I don't know, it's either model 666 or maybe model 999. I'm really not sure. But let's open it up and take a look. I'm going to have to be really careful because I'm going to find a collector and give it away. It is missing a tab there, but comes with the original instructions, and there's the missing tab. And then it looks like it even comes with the original plastic bag, so very cool. Yep, still got the DOM logo on it. All the mounting screws. Very cool. It doesn't, well, it might be used. It's really hard to say. It does have a couple little blemishes on it. Anyway, I think you can see, well, let's get the key. I think you can see how this would work, though. It's got a little geared mechanism, and there's the slot to go back and forth to lock it. And it even comes, hope that didn't fall out of the lock. All right, let's see if this thing works. There we go. Very cool. All right. I'm going to have to figure out how to clamp this dude up, see if we can't get it picked. I'm going to pick it that way so you can read the DOM while I do it. All right, guys, it took me a second to figure out the right angle to turn this so that the actuator will move out of your line of sight when I get it open. Here's what the key looks like. So appears to be a 5-pinner. And so when and if I get it picked, it turns almost all the way around. And in the last quarter turn is when the actuator will actually move out of your line of sight there. So that will be how we know if we got an open or not. All right, let's try it. I'm going to try using bottom of the keyway because, get that bag out of here. When you look at this guy, I can't use the bottom of the keyway for anything anyway, so I might as well stick my tensioner down there. I'm not sure I have a tensioner that would fit in the top anyway. So let's just take him, stick him right there, hope for the best. German lock needs a German pick, and I think I have one here. I'm going to use a 15 thousandths to get up and around that evil curve on the top there. And I think the best one to start out with would be the V31. It's from the SSDev, the German lockpicking group, designed these. I figured probably to beat locks just like this. I am counting 5, so they're all there. All right, let's try it. All the way in. Let's try light tension because DOM really, I've never found one that liked heavy tension. Pin 2. Double click, good. Pin 3. It doesn't want to move. Let's keep looking. Pin 4, binding. Nice click. I felt a little turn on the curve, turn on the core there. Looking for feedback, thinking maybe there's a spool in here somewhere, but I'm not seeing any counter rotation. Oh, wait a minute. Just as I say it, there it is. A little bit of counter rotation on pin 5. Let me make sure I'm centered on him. You know, I'm glad I didn't do that. I think I'm picking the warding. And because of the angle, no matter where it is, I'm all the way in the back, away from the pin, and I'm still getting counter rotation because of the curve. So ignore what I said. I have not found a spool pin, I don't think. You know, it really feels like a spool pin. Gosh, it really does. But I think it's the warding. Let's try it. Yeah, it's got to be the warding. Yeah, all of them are turning. Let me try to get this pick angled a little differently. There we go. Nothing. Wait a minute. There's counter rotation on pin 2. And there we go. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning, and we have an open. Tough little lock for just 5 pins. If they have spools, if it has spools in it, I felt 2 of them, and they're very slight spools. Again, Dom from the 1960s, probably made with a lot more precision than I think you probably find today. I am not going to gut this. It is probably a pretty valuable collector's item. I would have to probably break these 2 C-clips here, remove the actuator, pull that out, and I just don't want to get involved in that. It would piss too many people off. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal. And HC, thank you for the lock. I appreciate it. It was a great trade for me. Thanks, guys.